turned around to anybody listening and said, 40 years old, people.
Yeah.
He looked at me and said, Murph, what were you doing at 40?
Fly ball center field to Jesus. Did he make the catch? No, he did not. Bourne scores. It's 1-0. Chipper Jones with a big 2-out hit.
Braves fans and fans around the country.
How about Chipper going the other way with his second hit? Thing of beauty. And Chipper goes the other way again. He's got a double this time, and he's 3 for 3. What a night. And now Chipper rips it into the right field corner. Medlin scores. Bourne scores. Prado around third. He's going to try. The throw to the plate is going to be not in time. He's having an all-star kind of night.
It's just been fun to watch him. He's like a kid out there.
Line drive. It's a 5-hit game.
Listen to this hand.
And this ballpark is going to go crazy. Listen to the crowd at Turner Field. Might want a curtain call.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Get back out there, Chipper. There we go.